Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Instagram highlight. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And from here, just tap on the three lines on the top right, or you can just directly head over to your highlights. So as you can see, I have a highlight in here. If I want to delete it, what I will do is just to tap on the three dots on the lower right corner. And here you can see there is an option of edit highlight or remove from highlights. So tap on remove from highlight and it says you will still be able to see this photo in your archive. You can delete it permanently from archive. So as we want to delete our highlight, all we need to do is just remove this photo from our highlight. So tap on remove photo, and if I just refresh my feed again, as you can see, my highlight is no more. So yeah, this is the easiest way you can delete your Instagram highlight. Hope this video will help you out. If you find any sort of problem, just comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.